Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. A pink fruit with white flesh and black seeds. Example: he ate dragon fruit for breakfast. Lychee. Lychee. A small fruit with red skin and sweet flesh. Example: she peeled a lychee and ate it. Mulberry. Mulberry. A small purple or red fruit that grows on trees. Example: he picked mulberries from the garden. Blackberry. Blackberry. A small dark purple fruit. Example: she picked blackberries from the bush. Raspberry. Raspberry. A soft red fruit with many small parts. Example: she made raspberry jam. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. A very large fruit with yellow flesh inside. Example: he cut a jackfruit from the tree. Starfruit. Starfruit. A yellow fruit shaped like a star when cut. Example: she sliced a starfruit for the salad. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. A small fruit with purple skin and yellow pulp inside. Example: he made juice from passion fruit. Custard apple. Custard apple. A green fruit with sweet white pulp. Example: she ate a custard apple after lunch. Durian. Durian. A large spiky fruit with strong smell and creamy flesh. Example: he tasted durian for the first time. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. A small green or yellow sour fruit. Example: she picked gooseberries from the plant. Tamarind. Tamarind. A brown fruit with sour sweet taste. Example: he added tamarind to the curry. Cranberry. Cranberry. A small red fruit with sour taste. Example: she made cranberry juice. Longan. Longan. A small round fruit similar to lychee. Example: he peeled a longan and ate it. Sapodilla. Sapodilla. A brown fruit with sweet soft flesh. Example: she ate a ripe sapodilla. Rambutan. Rambutan. A red hairy fruit with sweet white flesh. Example: he ate rambutan from the basket. Soursop. Soursop. A green spiky fruit with soft white pulp. Example: she made juice from soursop. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. A type of melon with orange flesh. Example: he ate cantaloupe slices. Persimmon. Persimmon. An orange fruit with a sweet soft taste. Example: she bought persimmons from the market. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. A purple fruit with white juicy flesh. Example: he enjoyed a mangosteen for dessert. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.